Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon.
And I'm Jordan.
Welcome to Indiana Dunes
National Park.
This is Long Lake behind us. We were going to take our kayaks out today in Long Lake. Well, Long Lake was the second choice. We were going to go to Lake Michigan, but the radar said this.
Not up in here!
And our second option was Long Lake, which is this beautiful boggy lake. Both of us are hard passing on putting our kayaks in here.
Not going to do that. So we are going to go hike the Succession Dune Trail and then look for a place to put our kayaks in. Might not be in the national park, but it'll be somewhere close by.
Stay tuned.
Indiana Dunes National Park is one of the most recently created national parks. In February 2019, that's this year, it became a national park. Before that, it was a national lakeshore. In close proximity and kind of surrounding Indiana Dunes National Park surrounds Indiana Dunes State Park. So they're two different parks, but both are all protecting the beautiful dunes that are along Lake Michigan. In the distance, you can see the steel plants, as well as Chicago if you look close enough.
Doesn't look like a sand dune, but it is. It's just old. Our original plan was to take the kayaks out in Lake Michigan. What a cool experience. But this is Lake Michigan. Looks more like an ocean and we are not equipped for that. The lady at the visitor center warned us of winds coming from the north, and that's exactly what this is. Waves up to 6 feet. So for today, we're gonna find somewhere else.
We're actually at the Samuel L. Maleta Public Marina. Since we couldn't use any of the other ways to get in the water, we decided to come here, and it's $10 to use the ramp. And there was a fish that was jumping in the water.
So we went down to the right once you get out, and you can see where Lake Michigan enters where the river meets. With trains running, trucks driving on the road, and the huge industrial buildings, this is definitely a big departure from the lakes we've kayaked so far. It's a different experience.
Definitely not the peaceful serenity that we usually have out on the water, that's for sure. One remaining turtle. Oh,
Bye.
bye guys.
Where'd you go?
Sorry. Oh, there's one over there on the tree.
Oh yeah.
Paddled downriver for a while, saw some turtles and some jumping fish.
Lots of green moss growtiness in the water.
Yeah, would I recommend this place? If you have nowhere else to go, sure.
Yeah.
But
Not the most serene environment.
definitely
that's for
not
sure.
very serene. We're used to being in gorgeous lakes and things in the national parks. I wouldn't be dying to come back here.
Same. Glad we did it.
Hey guys, so when I was editing this video, I felt like we missed out on sharing a huge part of this park. It's pretty different. If you're going into many national parks, they're surrounded on all sides by national forest or protected lands as well, so you're fully immersed. This park, you can clearly see what has been protected and what hasn't, just standing inside the park, especially on the lakeshore of Lake Michigan. You can see Chicago and the steel mills on either side. So it's a little bit jarring, but cool to see what happens when we do protect our land in such a way.
Yeah, it was a very unique park, very different than the ones that we visited so far, but we definitely recommend it. It's a great example of how important it is to protect our lands and leave those for everybody to enjoy for future generations.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching these videos.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Do it, 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 do it. Until next time,
Stay curious.
cheers!
Cheers!